We're gonna catch him, Mike. We're gonna catch him.
We're gonna catch him.
We're gonna catch him. We're gonna catch at least 3. These oars are so hot I can barely touch them. Ridiculously hot.
Yeah, that'll work.
Got it, guys. I think I got it. What was that? Less than a minute. Yeah. Pretty stuck.
I'm getting plenty of good shots. No.
Time to fish for carp. Ooh. Ooh. Got him. Got him.
You got one more fishing boat than I do.
2. Got him. I think this is bigger than the first one. I just stopped filming, but as soon as this thing touched the water.
Uh-oh, gotta rip him out of the salad. Oh, boat flipping. Monsters.
You got it. Yeah. This one seems a little bigger. Get him out of there.
Oh,
what?
It might be legal. It might be legal. I might get him in the boat.
Get him up. What are you doing? You never fly fish before?
No. It's 3 on 3 casts in a row.
Got him. Got him.
Surfing him, surfing him, surfing him. Boat flip.
Oh, gnarly!
Awesome!
Dude, I got that all on video.
Did you?
We're slaying.
Catch a ton of 6-inch bass, it's fun.
We're slaying these bass.
Oh, he's pulling some drag. Pulling. Get out of there, get out of there, get out of those weeds, get out of those weeds. Another one's following him, another one following him.
Epic, dude. This is world class. This is like world class bass fishery here. Is he on it? On it. Epic. I'm gonna stand on the other side of the boat. I'll get a different view.
Alright.
For the next one. Another one. Yep, got it. I knew it. Oh, that was epic.
Man, I don't know how you can have more fun. The only way this would be more fun if these fish were all 5-pounders.
I mean, if they were even really any bigger, a pounder.
Like normal sized bass.
That's gotta be a fish.
Sure is.
Got it.
He took it and he was swimming toward me. I never felt him. Oh.
Got it?
Got him.
Ooh, big one. Huge. Lunker.
Oh, it's a toad. It's a toad.
Lunker.
Oh, it's a big one. Nice. That might be the biggest one of the day. How much fun is that?
No, we look over and find this thing. Like crawdadzilla, I don't know.
It's a lobster.
A king crab.
Ew.
You can only catch so many dinks before you realize it's still 119 degrees outside, so we decided to leave and go get some chicken wings.